Move in. Fast line, slowlies.
Fast line, get up.
Need to calm down for Dragon Link, please.
Fast line, get up to the door.
Hate this. Low.
Ouais, je t'en fais faire la ça.
Just call it out when you want a dragon.
Alright. 10-second. Powered shield, Hots, and Cypress. Let's go.
I'm not hit cap, so go easy on pull.
4,
Don't
Yeah, you
attack
shouldn't
for
even
10
be targeting the boss.
2, 1.
Let's go. DPS stack on star.
First seal out is Pepsi.
Let him, don't attack yet.
Second
Spore is
heal,
up.
gonna get
Spore is to our front
In
left.
front of us. Skull group has
Okay,
to
go there, go there.
That's fine.
30 on drugs.
They're spawning in the same spot.
X. I'm gonna move the boss, okay?
These are your
That's
next.
fine.
You guys killed it too soon.
Wrath Knight.
Captain's kill.
Alright, square.
Left. Spawning southeast now.
Still Wrath Knight.
Just adjust.
You ready, Moon?
Vila.
Should be Moon group next.
Romero.
Thing 2. Okay,
Harry
go.
Butt. Fast line.
Big heals and Cypress.
Killing more. Angel.
Demo.
Chaos, you can heal.
Go back out, let us know
Group
when
Good.
1, Spore, next.
Yeah, if you still need a spore, come and get it. I'm about to pop
Not this one, Group 1. Just stay
Back to
there.
Pepsi. Back to Pepsi.
it. That's group. That's
Yeah, group one
6. 7 is hitting now. Y'all shouldn't be
Am I
running
done?
to these, but whatever.
Drags.
This is spore number 8. This is the reset.
Hey,
This is where
Madre, go
group 1
get
is
it.
supposed to
Go.
be.
Diza.
Group 2, go. We already won.
Wrath Knight.
Okay, next one is gonna be X. Restart from there, team
Group
captain.
3
Romero.
next.
Romero.
Group 2, spore.
Harry
Next
Butt.
group. Go.
Square group head out.
Vila. I forgot you, my bad. Your next Vila.
Spore 3 is up.
And it's gonna be me.
Oh, next.
Spore 4 Moon is next.
21 Shadow Pot.
Use it now, refresh
Kill
it
more.
now.
1.
Unless it's already,
I kill it.
I'm out of range.
you're gonna
Triangle
eat
group
it in the
Angels.
next 2 seconds.
Glook.
Triangle group.
Was in a chaos
4 or
if you have
5.
cooldown anytime. And we're back to Pepsi.
Group 1.
Okay, Hellstone
Group 1,
bandages.
go next, okay?
Pepsi heal.
This is group 6. Nobody should be running to this one. You've got plenty of time on your spores.
Still on Amida.
Do we refresh Shadow Pot?
Yeah, go ahead,
Yep.
go ahead. Sorry, I called it earlier before.
Put up in demo.
Still on Amida. Diza, you can go. Wrath Knight.
Spore 7, this is my pop.
Drags you went. Good. Vila. I can't go in. That's gonna be Ramiro.
This is spore number 1, skull.
Alright,
Burn
popping this
burn
or
at
just
this
letting
point,
it go?
don't bandage.
Harry
Just
Butt.
kill it, it's fine.
Burn.
Just kill
Yeah,
it.
just kill it.
Just heal and cooldown leaders. We're good. Good job.
Keep healing, keep healing. You're gonna craft, you got a bandage or pot, you're gonna take a lot of damage, you might die.
It's got 30
Keep
seconds.
healing.
We don't die to this.
Shadow Pot again if you can.
Eat.
I'm out of
Who
range.
dares violate the sanctity of my domain?
Oof.
Be warned.
Alright.
All who
Good job, guys.
trespass here
Clean.